Welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Taking bribe is a system in RTO offices. Accused in sting operation case, Meena tells Anti-Corruption Bureau. The whistleblowers come forward on Prudent. High Court allows slaughtering of bulls above 12 years for Bakri Eid. Asks government to keep meat complex ready before festival. Slaughtering after thorough fitness check. Jia had filed 3 complaints with Goa Police before her husband murdered her. Police tried to solve the issue amicably. SP seeks report from PI. Chief coach of FC Goa, Zico, begins his training of players for ISL. Franchise owners marks their presence on the first day. ISL begins from 12th October. And Fomento's 3rd All India FIDE Chess Tournament begins. Tourney to continue till 21st September. Participation of 300 national players. Now the news in detail. Bribe is a part of the system at RTO office MAPSA, and demanding money from applicants is a ritual of the department. This is what arrested LDC of RTO MAPSA has stated to the ACB is her statement. Meena Tuekar, who was caught while accepting money, has named many other officers who are involved in corruption. Ankit Salgaonkar, the whistleblower, is hopeful that ACB will do its best. He came forward for the first time on Prudent and explained why they decided to conduct the sting operation.
Demanding money and exploiting applicants is a routine affair at RTO. It's nothing new. Demanding or accepting money in return for file clearance is a system at RTO office. LDC from RTO office Meena Tuekar has said this in a statement to the ACB on record. SP of ACB Bosco George exclusively told Prudent.
We have questioned the lady. We are building up all whatever's the evidence. The system, okay, collection. But I think it will be making it too easy for her to just say that it is a system. There are many people I know during questioning in the RTO itself. They refuse. So there are people who can refuse. So this lady taking the plea that she was forced,
Meena has named other employees from MAPSA RTO office involved in the corruption racket.
She has mentioned some names that she was regarding the money transaction. And I should say director letter dalda. We have during the lady's questioning, she has given certain names. You may look into the matter for that. So the investigation is on.
ACB had caught Meena Tuekar red-handed while accepting money at MAPSA RTO counter number 3. SP Bosco George said that Meena Tuekar is not arrested as she is fully cooperating with the interrogation.
No, we have not arrested her. She is a lady. She is a widow. We are keeping that into consideration. Moreover, it is not a major amount. Okay, so we have looked into all this, and if she is not cooperating in the investigation, or we feel that she is trying to tamper evidence, or she is trying to influence this thing, we can take the decision to arrest. But as of now, we have not.
The lad who conducted this sting operation, Ankit Salgaonkar, spoke to us.
कित्याक तकलें अशी कित्याक ही कीड आयली की कॅमेरा स्मार्टफोन ऑन करून तांकां कॅमेराचेर धरया म्हणून
अशें जालें की थंयसर हांव उबो आसलेलो ते इनवर्ट करपाक थंयसर एकटो दादलो जाणटो येयल्लो आनी त्यो मडगांवसून येयल्लो तो तेणें सांगलें ताका की आपल्याक मातशें बेगीन जाय आपूण मडगांवसून येयला सो तिणीन ताका म्हटलें की कितें घाल मरे तितून बेगीन जातलें काम सो थंयसून आमी ते जाणटो म्हणपाक लागलो आपल्या कडेन बसीक वचपाक पयशे ना आपूण कितें म्हणून दिवं तुका तेणें तरी आसतना ताका 20 रुपया काडले आनी दिले म्हाज्या फुडल्यान तिणीन घेतले ते सो थंयसून स्टार्ट.
Senior reporter Lokik Shilgar with video journalist Omkar Farari for Prudent.
High Court has allowed slaughtering of bulls above 12 years of age on the occasion of Bakri Eid at Goa Meat Complex. Court has directed Goa government to get the Goa Meat Complex ready before commencement of the festival as complex is under repairs. As per court's guidelines, representative of petitioner Goansh Raksha Abhiyan will witness the fitness test of the eligible animals and the whole certification process will be recorded through CCTV.
Association of All Goa Muslim Jamaats has withdrawn its plea to allow slaughtering of animal below 7 years of age to perform rituals of Qurbani on the occasion of Bakri Eid. The High Court, after hearing all the parties, allowed to slaughtering of bulls above 12 years of age at the Goa Meat Complex. The court has directed that veterinary doctor will check the fitness of the animals twice, once when the animal will be brought in the Goa Meat Complex and again 24 hours before the actual slaughtering. On the both occasions, one representative of petitioner Goansh Raksha Abhiyan will remain present to keep a watch and a CCTV camera will also record whole process. But the petitioners feel that this order will hurt religious sentiments.
आमच्या इतलंच म्हणणे असं की मुस्लिम भावाने ईद मनवचे पण हिंदूंच्या भावाने जपचे आणि इस्लाम सांगता की पडोशी जो रावता त्याचे सेंटिमेंट हर्ट जावंक जायना हे इस्लाम सांगता आणि त्याप्रमाणे जर ते लोक वागले जाल्यार वी विल मेंटेन पीस एंड हार्मोनी इन गोवा आणि कसलो हे वचचे ना.
The High Court also heard intervention petition of an activist namely Mohammad Faiz Khan, who is opposing to slaughter a bull on the name of Qurbani ritual. But the court has neither accepted nor rejected his intervention application.
यहाँ कोई ऑल गोवा मुस्लिम जमात है जिसने की कोर्ट में ये दायर किया हुआ है कि हमें बकरीद में गाय बैल काटने की अनुमति दी जाए. इसके विरोध में हम यहाँ पर आए और यहाँ पर इंटरवेंशन हमने दाखिल किया कि इस्लाम में कहीं पर भी इस बात की इजाज़त नहीं है, कहीं पर भी इस बात को अनिवार्य नहीं किया गया है कि बकरीद में गाय या बैल की कुर्बानी की जाए.
An activist from Delhi said that after receiving certified order of the High Court, they will challenge this order before the Supreme Court.
स्लॉटरिंग के लिए मतलब कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट की इतनी जजमेंट्स के बाद में कि बकरी ईद के अगेंस्ट में कि बकरी ईद पर अलाउ नहीं किया सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने भी, और उसके बाद में अगर गोवा हाई कोर्ट ने अलाउ कर दिया तो उसके बाद में हमारा पूरा अधिकार है ऊपर जाने का, और वो हम लोग मंडे वहाँ पर अपना सुप्रीम कोर्ट में फाइल करेंगे पिटीशन, इसके अगेंस्ट में SPL फाइल करेंगे हम लोग.
Meanwhile, NGO, Animal Welfare Society and police on Wednesday night conducted a joint raid on an illegal slaughterhouse in Fontenache area of Panji. Fat extracted from the slaughtered cows, bones and other articles were seized. Police and FDA has seized the stock and have sent the samples for examination.
I think the neighbors are getting disturbed by the smell and the fumes, and they are burning the bones. So we went there and it was confirmed that they were extracting oil. So we immediately informed the police, informed the FDA, who came immediately, and the animal husbandry and veterinary services doctors were also there.
Just a month back, Amrut Singh's NGO had raided the same place. This illegal slaughterhouse is operating from a quite long time. Police too act only if alerted by the NGOs. That too as a formality. Even the raid which was conducted on an illegal slaughterhouse at Khareban was an effort of Amrut Singh's NGO. Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
Life of Jia Naik from Kunkolim could have been saved. Her brutal murder by her husband could have been avoided only if Goa Police had acted seriously on 3 different complaints she filed with different agencies of Goa Police. When the last complaint was filed in January, police preferred to settle the issue amicably. Did police take the case lightly? South Goa SP has now asked for a detailed report on this case from the Kunkolim Police.
She repetitively complained about domestic violence by her husband, but despite of 3 complaints by Jia Naik, her husband Jayesh Naik was not arrested by the police. Kukari police accept that they prefer to settle the issue amicably when she complained to the police station.
Complained earlier that deceased had given application when the accused person was abroad. That time she was under suspicion that if he is coming here, he might harass her. And this matter was dealt with after this came back. Then with the help of the NGOs, the matter was dealt, and NGOs had taken the counseling sessions, and the matter was...
How many cases are filed on them? Any application about that?
Yeah, one application was given at the compelling police station. So that was in the month of January when that lady was, when that accused was abroad.
But social activist Auda Viegas says the case should have been treated with more seriousness and the accused should have been handled sternly.
3 complainants are police station. 2 complainants are to go virus tana. And म्हाका दिसता की तो go आयल तेन्ना परत तांकां नोटीस दिवपाक जाय आशिल्ली तो आयलो गांवांत गोंयान आनी ताका आपयात म्हणून पूण म्हाका दिसता तें जावना कित्याक कारण ते वचून सगळे फायल बी पळयल्या म्हणटरीच एक म्हणजे भाजी जायते जावपाचेंच न्ही पूण तातूंत सोसायटी फॅमिली आनी स्वताचोय बी प्रोएक्टीव रोल आसपाक जाय.
South Goa SP Shekhar Prabhudesai has now asked for a detailed report on the complaints and action taken by the police on each complaint. Reporter Savio Dias for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.